1. Choosing the right chicken breed. Different breeds serve different purposes. Layers like Leghorns produce eggs, while broilers like Cornish cross grow quickly for meat. Dual-purpose breeds provide both eggs and meat. 2. Setting up the coop. A well-ventilated and predator-proof coop is essential. Chickens need roosting bars, nesting boxes, and enough space to roam freely. Ensure proper insulation for extreme weather conditions. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Balanced nutrition is crucial for healthy chickens. Provide a mix of grains, protein sources, and fresh greens. Supplements like calcium for layers and high-protein feeds for broilers enhance growth and productivity. 4. Watering systems. Chickens need clean, fresh water at all times. Automated waterers, nipple drinkers, and heated water systems in cold climates help maintain hydration. 5. Disease prevention and health care. Regular vaccinations, biosecurity measures, and proper sanitation prevent diseases like coccidiosis and avian flu. Observe chickens for signs of illness and provide prompt treatment when necessary. 6. Managing egg production. For layer chickens, consistent light exposure and proper nesting boxes encourage egg laying. Collect eggs daily and ensure clean conditions to maintain egg quality. 7. Growth management for meat production. Broiler. Chickens require a high-protein diet and careful weight monitoring to ensure efficient growth. Proper spacing prevents overcrowding and stress-related issues. 8. Waste management and sustainability. Chicken manure can be composted into organic fertilizer. Sustainable farming practices, such as integrating poultry with crop rotation, help improve soil health. 9. Predator protection and security. Foxes, raccoons, and birds of prey are common threats. Secure fencing, covered runs, and nighttime coop lockups reduce risks. 10. Future trends in poultry farming. Technological advancements, including AI monitoring, automated feeders, and climate-controlled coops, are shaping the future of poultry farming for higher efficiency and sustainability.